Have you ever put two sponges in the detergent dispenser of your washing machine? In this video, I'll show you why you absolutely should and what the benefits are. Over time, the detergent dispenser in most washing machines gets quite dirty, and many people don't clean it regularly. If yours isn't looking very clean either, you'll definitely want to know this trick. It's super easy. Take a dish sponge and use scissors to cut it in half. I'll show you exactly how to do it so you can get the dispenser really clean without having to take it apart. Next, you'll need one simple ingredient: apple cider vinegar. Vinegar is great at loosening and removing built-up dirt. Put some vinegar on the two sponge pieces. If the sponges aren't fully saturated yet, let them sit in the dispenser for a few minutes so they can absorb the vinegar properly. This helps soak the dirt and allows it to almost dissolve on its own. After that, use the sponges to wipe the dispenser thoroughly, making sure to clean all the sides, the back, and even the top edges. This will leave your washing machine's detergent drawer sparkling clean again. And the best part? You don't have to take anything apart or wipe it down afterward. The vinegar isn't harmful to the washing machine and will easily rinse away during the next wash. Thumbs up and subscribe for more tips like these.